Most financial content talks about SCHD like you need to own thousands of shares before anything interesting happens at all. And in my opinion, that's wrong. At 100 shares, things are already happening quietly, automatically, in ways that most new investors don't even realize until they look at their account a year later and notice it's doing things they didn't tell it to do. 100 shares of SCHD at $32 a share is $3,200 position, right? That's a real starting point, and understanding exactly what that position does, what it pays, how it grows, what it unlocks is the first step towards understanding why people build this position over years instead of just leaving money in a savings account. Here's what 100 shares of SCHD does right now in plain, easy to understand numbers, okay? Their most recent quarterly dividend was approximately 26 cents a share. On 100 shares, that's around $26 every quarter. 4 times per year, that's roughly $104 in annual dividends income from this investment. 104 sounds small. In absolute dollar terms, it is, but run the math the way it's meant to be run as a percentage of what you invested. $104 on $3,200 position is about 3.25% annual return just from the dividend. That's before the stock moves $1 in either direction. That's $26 per quarter, doesn't require you to do anything. It arrives whether the market is up that week or down, whether you checked your account that day or not. The 100 companies inside SCHD paid their dividends to the fund, and the fund passed it along to you, and it landed in your account while you were literally doing something else. Now, here's the part that most people miss. If you reinvest the 26 bucks back into SCHD at $30 a share, you just bought almost a whole share. Not a full one, but a fraction of one, but those shares will now also pay a dividend next quarter. The position is larger than it was before you didn't do anything, simply because you held it and let the dividend do its job. But here's the framework for understanding what 100 shares is actually doing for you. At this stage, 100 shares is not an income position, okay? $26 a quarter, it's not replacing your paycheck or covering any kind of expenses for you. Anyone who tells you 100 shares of SCHD is a retirement strategy is literally lying or completely missing the point. What 100 shares is doing, though, is building a foundation and teaching you how the system actually works. Every quarter that you receive a dividend, you're experiencing in real money, not theory, how dividend investing actually starts to function. You see the money arrive, you make the decision to reinvest or take it, you watch the share count change, you notice the dividend payment go up slightly the following year because the underlying companies raised what they pay out. The system starts to become familiar to you, and while the dollar amounts are small at 100 shares, the behaviors you develop, holding through volatility, reinvesting automatically, watching the share count grow, are the exact same behaviors you're gonna need when the position is 1,000 shares or 5,000 shares and the quarterly payment is genuinely starting to be meaningful for you. 100 shares is where the habits get built. The wealth comes later. Now, the full Ark Options Strategy adds a lot more layers to an SCHD position. If you want to learn more about that, I want to invite you to the Ark Options Workshop. It's only 90 minutes long. Click the first link in the description of today's video. At the end of it, you get my 15 favorite stocks that are all under 30 bucks that I love running the Ark strategy on, my 2 premium calculators, and my full trade log template. So make sure to register for that training at the end of today's video. But let's talk about what dividend growth does to 100 shares over time. And really, this is the part that makes a small position totally worth holding even when the dollar amounts really feel trivial, okay? If SCHD grows its dividend at 9% per year, conservative estimate based on recent trends, here's what the quarterly payment on your 100 shares looks like over time. Year 1, 26 bucks a quarter. Year 3, $31 a quarter. Year 5, $40 a quarter. Year 7, $47 a quarter. Year 10, $63. That's $63 per quarter from the same 100 shares with no additional investment, just from the dividend growing. Your original $3,200 investment is paying out $252 per year by year 10, more than double what it paid in year 1. On an annualized basis, your yield on original cost has moved from 3.25 to over 7.5%. That is why long-term investors don't obsess over SCHD's current yield. They're investing in what the yield becomes, not what it is today. But here's what changes at 100 shares versus 0 shares. Here's the practical reality that's really easy to miss, okay? Before you own 100 shares, dividends are something you read about. After you own 100 shares, there's something that really starts to happen to your account. That shift from an abstract concept to real money arrives really changes how you think about investing, especially for newbies getting into this. People who own 0 shares of SCHD look at the 3.5% yield and think, That's not enough. People who own 100 shares and just received their first $26 quarterly dividend start thinking differently, right? They think, if I owned 1,000 shares, what would it be? What would it look like? Then if I owned 5,000 shares, right, what would that look like, right? The math, right, it starts to become fun. It becomes real because the foundation is starting to be set. Owning 100 shares also does something unexpected to your behavior during really market downturns. When SCHD drops 10%, you still get your quarterly dividend. It arrives regardless of the share price. That experience, seeing the dividend continue even when the position is showing a loss, really builds the emotional stability to hold through volatility instead of selling at the wrong time. But I want to talk about what one options contract unlocks. And here's the connection to the broader Ark strategy that matters for long-term planning. 100 shares of SCHD is exactly one options contract, which means at 100 shares, you can sell one covered call in your position. Not profitably every cycle, right? The premium on conservative SCHD calls is modest, but you can begin to experience what covered call income feels like on top of the dividend. Let's say at 30 cents per share in conservative monthly covered call on 100 shares, you're generating an extra $30 per month on it per contract. Combine that with the 26 quarterly dividend, the position is producing both passive income and active options income simultaneously, even at this starting size. That experience at 100 shares is the preview of what 5,000 shares unlocks at scale. The mechanics are identical, the numbers are way bigger. But here's the full picture. 100 shares of SCHD is, of course, not a retirement plan. It's a starting position that does 5 things worth understanding. It pays you a quarterly dividend. It grows that dividend over time through the underlying companies. It rewards reinvestment by compounding the share count. It teaches the behaviors that larger positions require, and it unlocks one options contract that lets you practice the covered call layer. None of those things require you to own 63,000 shares first. They happen at 100 shares, right? Imperfectly at small scale, but the mechanics, in my opinion, are worth it. The path from 100 to 5,000 shares is the same process, repeated. Hold through the noise, reinvest every dividend, add shares when you can, and don't interrupt the compounding for a quick gain somewhere else. The starting point is 100 shares. The system begins working the moment that you own them. I got some questions for you guys in the comments section as always. Number 1, how many shares of SCHD are you currently holding? And was 100 shares your starting point, or did you buy even larger? Number 2, are you reinvesting the dividends automatically right now, or taking them as cash while you're still in the early stages? Let us know down below in the comment section. Make sure to attend the Ark Options Workshop. It'll be the first link in the description of today's video. 90 minutes long. You're gonna get my 15 favorite stocks, all under $30 that I love running the Ark Options strategy on, my 2 premium calculators, as well as my full trade lock template, all completely for free at the end of that training. So click that first link in the description of today's video. Guys, remember, sell options, collect premiums, repeat. I'll see y'all tomorrow.